What are you in the habit of?
So I am in the habit of playing cricket.
Does he go to market?
He goes to market.
Was he speaking English?
He was speaking English.
Can you speak German?
I can speak German, some little words.
Okay. Could you speak Hindi in your second class?
I can speak Hindi in my
Could
second
you speak Hindi in your second class?
I could not speak Hindi in my second class.
अगर आपको पूछना हो कि आपके पास कार है तो कैसे पूछेंगे?
Have you got car?
हाँ मेरे पास कार है.
I have got car.
What are you sick of?
I am sick of lizards.
Why are you sick of lizards?
Because sir, they are very
Scary.
scary.
Okay. And what are you in the habit of?
I am in the habit of playing cricket.
What can't you go without?
I can't go without operating phone.
How do you have fun?
I have fun by playing.
How did you spend your holidays?
I spend my holidays playing with my cousins, so many games, and also eating so many types of food through
Okay.
it.
What type of food do you like?
I like pizza.
Okay. Thank you. English बोल रहा था?
Was he speaking English?
वो कितने बजे तुम्हारे घर आया था?
What time did he come your home?
Okay. तुमने उसे कैसे मैनेज किया?
How did you manage it?
Okay. क्या वो दिल्ली जाएगा?
Will he go Delhi?
Okay. क्या वो दिल्ली अकेला जा सकता है?
Can he go Delhi alone?
Okay. आप किस चीज से परेशान हैं?
What are you sick of?
मैं अपनी कार से परेशान हूँ.
I am sick of my car.
Can't you go without?
I can't go without operating phone.
Okay. What are you in the habit of?
I am in the habit of biting my nails.
क्यों चिल्ला रहे थे?
Why were you shouting?
Okay. मैं तुम्हें पीट सकता था.
I could beat you.
Okay. क्या आपका पेन मिल सकता है?
Could I have your pen, please?
Okay. मैं तुम्हें नहीं जानता.
I don't know.
Okay. क्या आप मुझे अपना एड्रेस बता सकते हो?
Can you share your address?
Okay. आप मार्केट क्यों जा रहे थे?
Why were you going to market?
क्या वो कॉलेज जा रहा था?
Was he going to college?
Okay. तुमने पिज्जा कितने बजे खाया था?
At what time did you eat pizza?
Okay. तुम मुझ पर क्यों चिल्ला रहे थे?
Why you are shouting on me?
You are or you were?
Why you were shouting on me?
Okay. आप किस चीज से डरते हो?
I am scared of lion.
अगर सवाल पूछना हो तो?
What are you scared of?
Okay. आपने उसकी कार कहाँ पार्क की थी?
Where did you park his car?
What's your name?
My name is Akriti.
Okay. Do you speak in English?
I speak in English.
Do you practice every day?
I practice every day.
How do you practice?
I practice from my notebook.
You practice by your notebook.
Yes.
Okay. What subject do you like?
I like maths.
You like maths. Okay. What chapter of maths do you like?
I like fraction.
Okay. Are you sick of your brother?
I am not sick of my brother.
What are you sick of?
I am sick of lizard.
Okay. He speak in English.
He speaks English.
Okay. Was he going to market?
He was going to market.
Has he allowed cricket?
He has allowed cricket.
Okay. Did you play yesterday?
I didn't play yesterday.
और अगर आपने खेला था तो?
I played yesterday. I played yesterday.
Okay. आप अगर आपको मुझसे पूछना हो आप कितने बजे खेले थे?
What time did you play?
Okay. अगर आपको पूछना हो आप क्यों खेले थे?
Why did you play?
अगर आपको पूछना हो आप कैसे खेले थे?
How did you play?
अच्छा. अगर आपको पूछना हो आप किस चीज से परेशान हैं?
What are you sick of?
Very good. मैं बहुत ज्यादा परेशान हूँ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से.
I am sick of electricity.
Okay. अगर आपको मुझसे पूछना हो आप किस आदत में हैं?
What are you in the habit of?
Very good. Thank you. Get up. Where did you spend your vacations?
I spent my vacation at my nanny's house.
Okay. Where did you go?
I went to my friend's house and I played there.
You played there. What did you play?
I played badminton.
Okay. You like badminton?
Yes.
What batsman do you like the most?
Rohit Sharma.
Give me the proper answer.
I like Rohit Sharma.
You like? Is he abusing?
He is not abusing.
Was he going to market?
He was going to market.
What are you into?
I am into badminton.
Okay. Do you have any favorite sports person?
I don't have any favorite sports person.
Okay.
7th.
Okay. Does he go to market?
He goes to market.
Was he speaking English?
He was speaking English.
Why do you learn English?
I learned English for because it will help in my future.
Okay. Does your mother insist you on speaking English?
My mother insists me on speaking English.
Okay. Are you in the habit of preparing food?
I am not in the habit of preparing food.
What are you fond of?
I am fond of operating phone.
Okay. And what are you scared of?
I am scared of lizards.
What are you sick of?
I am sick of my brother.
What car do you like the most?
I don't like cars.
Okay. Do you believe in God?
I believe in God.
Do you believe in ghosts?
I don't believe in ghosts.
Okay. Was he speaking English?
He was speaking English.
Did he abuse you?
He didn't. No, he didn't abuse me.
Okay. Can you lift 100 kg?
I can't lift 100 kg.
Okay.